Hi guys, it's Amaya surprise. Say hi.
Hi.
Alright, Amaya's gonna open up her prize today.
Make sure y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel, Trent Gaming.
Ooh, look, show the camera. Ooh, Poopsie slime. Woohoo!
Let me fix the camera for y'all.
Yay, Poopsie slime.
Y'all need something to open it?
We have to look where it says start here.
Start here.
Alright, so hold on. Hold on. We gotta open this side first. I'm gonna get it ready for us to start. Looks like it's gonna want us to.
Like, I think the right eye tie.
Yep. We're trying to find the gold slime.
Gold giant.
Mm-hmm.
Where a gold giant at?
Let's see if we can get in here. Let's see if we
What
have
they gonna be, Mom?
I don't know, man.
Like dying.
We gotta get it open.
You need something?
I think we got it now.
Why open it?
Hold on.
Maya, open it.
Yeah. Pull it hard. Keep pulling it. Alright.
Maya, open it.
Now it says, hold on. It says start here. Unroll here.
You gotta show the camera, y'all.
It says unroll here. So let's unroll it. Right here. See the sticker? We gotta get the sticker off. You got it?
I got it.
There you go. Hold on. Oh, wow. Hold on. Let's see what it all has. So we have
Wait, Maya, you gotta show the camera.
food. We got unicorn food.
Okay,
Unicorn magic. A surprise scent.
You gotta wait. No, you gotta wait.
And a magic spoon.
Naughty boom.
Alright, let's open it up and see what's inside. You gonna get it? Oh, look at all these fun bags.
Let's get it out of it.
Pull it, pull it, pull it.
Yeah.
Yay.
They are top. Yeah.
Fun bags.
Fun bags.
See that?
Hold on, what's that?
We got a giant.
What's that, Maya?
Right there where the cat are dumping a thing.
Oh, and you get a little instruction manual.
Yep, we'll read that next.
Did I know we need water or something? I can go get
I think
Yeah.
we have everything. No, we need water.
it. How
We need
much?
water.
I don't know.
You can always press the pause video if you want me to.
Wow.
Wow. Let's look inside and see what we have. Let's open up your side.
I'm gonna start getting
Open
trash.
it. Maya, open it like so. Maya, open it. So I open it.
Oh, hold on. Trent's got to pause. Come on, Trent.
Maya, open it.
It's not paused.
Trent, open it.
Here, pull it right here.
Oh, it's the car.
Oh,
Let me see it.
cool.
You gotta show him, Maya.
It's a cup. That's what we put the slime in.
So y'all get a cup.
We got a drink.
Yep.
Drink jar.
Yep. That's cool. I like that.
Like open that big one. Find it.
You got it?
I did got it.
Just tear it.
Hey,
Look. Let mommy start it for you.
like Maya started. I think I'm gonna be here.
Now pull it right here.
It's a birdie!
Yay, a poopsie.
It's
It's a penguin unicorn. Aw.
We're up in the red one.
Yeah. That's our penguin.
Penguin. Water. It's shiny.
Yay.
It's shiny.
Alright, let's get into this one now.
Maya, open.
Alright, now you can open it.
It's a cup.
Yay.
Open the one back. Come on.
Alright, hold on. So, first we're going to open our spoon.
It's the spoon. Open it.
Pull it.
We might have where you can get this in the link in the description.
No, it's the spoon. It comes. Oh, it comes.
Yay.
It got
And let's open this one and see what this one is. It's our surprise scent.
It's a bottle.
Oh, looks like it could be vanilla maybe.
Letter. Open a
Alright, so now we're gonna wait a minute. We're gonna come back in just a few minutes, guys, and we're gonna show you guys how to make unicorn poopsie slime.
What is this?
Alright, Maya, we got this one. We forgot. Let's open.
Oh, y'all forgot to open this. Maya, open that. I think it's like a. Wait, is that tattoo?
Unicorn bling. Let's see what we got. Uh-oh.
Oh, it's just pieces of paper. I think it
No,
helps
there's
you.
another piece of paper down here. Let's help.
Where? What is it?
Oh, so we can put it in the slime. It's a gold crinkle paper. It'll make it, the slime will be crinkly gold.
Oh, it'll be show the camera, is it?
No, because it's gonna, hold on. I gotta get it off my thumb. It's sticking to me.
It's sticking on your thumb.
It's a gold crinkle paper we'll put inside the slime.
We'll be back in the. Well, they'll be back in a
It's
minute.
the thing.
Alright. Hey guys, welcome back to Amiya's surprise. So we opened up our Poopsie slime and
Water.
this is the one that we got, Antarctica. It's
This
the
one right
penguin with the
We
Slurpee.
got
We got a vanilla scent. Yes. Alright, so we're gonna get started on making our slime. Alright, Maya?
Okay.
Wait, tell them the
Alright.
ingredients you need.
So first we're gonna use our water.
Filled up to the 15 milliliter line.
Alright, so dump the water inside this big cup here, Maya. Alright, let mommy fill you up another cup to the 15 milliliter.
And you need a spare cup of water just so you can fill it up as you go.
We're not done.
Thank you, Mr. Narrator.
Okay,
Here, Maya,
okay.
pour this water in.
Don't miss it. You guys, good job.
It's going up.
Alright, so now we have to add our scent to the thing. We gotta open up our scent bottle.
Let me open it.
I'm gonna let you pour it in there. Let me get it open though. As soon as I get it open, you can pour it.
Okay. We're not done yet.
Alright, Mama. Alright, open it up. I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright.
5 drops of the scent.
Mmm.
Try.
You smell it?
Like
Hold on.
chicken.
We're not shaking yet. We gotta put the food packet in. We gotta put the unicorn food in.
And careful. Trying to not get one.
That smells.
Okay, take. Pick it. Pick it out, please.
Alright, so now we're gonna put the unicorn food packet in.
Maya.
That's a skinny packet.
Let mommy make sure that it's opened up bigger. Alright. We'll dump the whole packet in.
You got to dump the whole skinny packet in.
They're coming. They're pink. They're pink.
Easy.
They're pink in
Yay. Looks like it's turning a pink color or maybe a red.
And maybe pink.
Red and
Maybe.
pink or something.
Pink.
We'll see in a minute.
Oh, it's pink. It's gone. It's not going to
Alright, we gotta put the lid on the bottle.
Put the lid on the bottle, Maya. Yeah, push it on there.
Let mommy make sure it's on tight.
My chicken.
Alright, shake it.
Can brother shake it?
No, my chicken.
Shake it for a whole minute.
You gotta shake it, shake it, shake it. We'll get back to y'all when a minute pass. Alright, y'all. After y'all done shaking this
So you can put the slime in there.
After y'all done shaking this for 1 minute, you gotta let it sit to 10 to 15 minutes. So we'll get back to y'all after 10, 15 minutes pass.
Alright. Alright. Hi guys, welcome back to Amiya Surprise. So we're going to show you guys how to finish making unicorn poop slime. We got some slime starting.
Pull it out, Mom.
So you have to get it out with the shovel, Maya.
Okay,
Put it right here. Gotta put it right
No,
here.
she gotta put it in her hand. Keep pulling it out.
Pull it out with your hand. It's okay.
Alright, keep it in your hand. We're gonna put unicorn magic on it.
Get that off to me.
You gotta play with it.
Got it? Alright, set it in your hand. We're gonna put the unicorn magic on there.
What's it? Oh, it's going big.
Now you gotta play with it. You just gotta like rub it or something.
Yep, and keep rubbing it all together.
Get it all up in the powder, Maya.
It's pink.
Keep getting it up.
You gotta rub it.
Yep, keep folding it.
You see? Wanna touch it?
That's cool.
You gotta keep playing with it. Play it. Play with it.
You still got more powder over here too.
Put it all over the
put
table.
it on the table. Put it in the table so we can get up that slime.
So if you can't put it in something, you could just put it on the table and just roll it and it'll like just suck it up. So make sure you check the description because there might be a link to buy this POOPSIE slime.
So now we have some gold foil we're going to put in there. Alright, Maya, let's put it back in your hand so they can see.
And Amiya did kind of mess with it, so it is kind of like crinkly, but it's
And
alright.
I got it off.
It's okay, it'll come off. No, I didn't try to get it.
So this is the gold slime.
My chicken on the top.
I mean, it's not the gold slime. This is the gold crinkly paper that'll make it
foil.
gold foil. What would it do?
Makes it shiny.
Make it shiny and sprinkly. It got on my fingers, and my fingers is all glitter and smooth and shiny.
Alright, let's put on our glitter. Alright, hold it, Maya.
My chicken.
Alright, Trent.
It's
Time
like,
to add it to the slime, baby.
so you just dump it like this, y'all.
And then you want to mash it with your fingers so it separates it.
Put it in the camera, Mike.
Show them what you're doing.
Gotta
Pull it apart.
Well, you can't put it in there. You gotta play with it in your
Play
hands.
with it and pull it. Yeah, stretch it so they see it.
Shout out to our cousin Leah. She's the one that teach Amiya how to play with slime.
Shout out to the oh so cool mom and the one that got the poopsie slime for our video today.
Oh God, don't put it on your mouth.
It's giant.
Poopsie slime. Alright guys, thanks for joining us on the video.
Wait, one more thing.
Last step.
You put it in the poop.
We got unicorn Antarctica.
And one thing we didn't tell y'all, we got
Open it up.
the rare slime. Because why do we get the rare? How do we get the rare?
I don't know how we ended up with rare slime, but the rare slime has
How do you know you got
foil,
that? Oh,
because it has the gold foil and extra bling.
So maybe you might be the lucky one. So make sure you buy it off. What you got it off of Amazon?
Yep, got it off Amazon.com.
Hashtag that's where my mom works at. Shout out to the Amazon worker.
Hashtag maternity leave, baby.
But this is the channel person. Her hands all messed up with slime.
Okay, we'll put some back in the cup. So y'all make sure y'all like,
subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you're not missing another banger like this one. And make sure you go subscribe to my channel, Trent, which is a T, and Gaming, which is a capital G. So make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and what's your outro?
Have a slime-tastic day.
Peace.